Hi guys, how are you doing? How na day? This is your man, Motaze. Today, this is just for entertainment purpose only. We are recording on the Panasonic S5. So, in case you're wondering what camera we're using, I will try to be putting all those in the video. This is what we're gonna do unboxing on. This is a Rollei RGB panel, the 600 RGB. They have it in two. They have the one for 900. They have the one for 600. And before I go bringing it out of the box to do the unboxing, this now, if you're interested in buying it as in June 2023, and they sell in 30 days, Rollei is selling it for 77 euros. The original price is around 150 euros. So guys, if you're new to YouTube, you're trying to get yourself into YouTube, so you don't have any complaints or whatever, this could be your light, and it's cheap, it doesn't break your pocket, and yeah. And I will just tell you some reason why I'm going to be unboxing this light. We got it to replace the one we use for our green backlight, which you can see here on the stand. This is what we have, but we're not getting enough splash on the wall, so we needed a bigger one to replace this one. So I'm gonna try to get it out of the box. This is the way it comes, you see, just like this. It's a panel, it's not a round, big box, it's just a light panel. And there. That is everything in the box. The good thing about this for you non-German speakers is it comes written in English and German. So the name is on the box, the RGB 600. It doesn't consume too much light. It's rated G. I would not be able to use this to judge, but it's just 49 kilowatts. So let's talk about this. This is just printed as a catalog. Formerly, when we get stuff from them, there's nothing in the box for the manual, but now they come with this glossy looking manual for it. So I love it a lot. I love it because I usually complain about Sony having this huge box that you cannot read and you cannot even get anything inside. So I'm gonna open it and you can see. They make it so much easier to get to see your product, to learn about the product. I'm still gonna go in depth in this, maybe in another video, but I just wanted to see how simple, clear to read this, not like those tiny words the other guys are always using. So you can see, it's in English and German for the non-German speakers. So this is just about 10 pages, and you can actually put this in the middle of your magazines and you can just pick it up at any time or whatever someone just write. I like this a lot anyway. So that is that. The power brick, it comes with this nice power brick. It's I think it's one, I'm not sure. I think it's 110 to 24 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. So, and it has this plug that is used to connect it to the power, to the light himself, and with this round ring to be able to lock it in place, so when you pull it, it doesn't fall off. I've actually opened it, and another long one. So here, a simple nice carry bag that you can use to carry it around. You cannot believe it. There's a light in this. You open it up, you bring it out, that's everything inside. I'm gonna put a pouch somewhere, and this is the light. Guys, this is really solid. It's made out of metal, steel, all around. The only plastic you get is just this controller at the back here. And it's really very, very simple. The controller, we have the battery. It goes with 2 batteries. This is where the power goes in. You push it in here because there's a way it has to go. Yada. Oh, sorry, it's in the wrong. Yeah, simple. Then you lock it by threading that. We have the 2 line is for direct connection to power, and the 2-up one is for batteries. They have the menu control, the saturation and the hues, and CCT, and this is to dim and to actually move around in the controller. So I'm going to plug batteries. Okay, let's see. These buttons are very, very tiny. To remove the battery, you need to press it well to remove the battery. It's not a problem, but they're nice. They feel solid also. So immediately I plug the batteries. You can use batteries, so I'm going to remove this for a while. And that comes on the menu system here. This is for the hue and saturation, and this is CCT. This is to reduce and increase the light. And
now you have the color temperature.
Yeah. Okay, so you push it in to move also. If I go to the menu, you can use it to move around the menu up and down. And to get inside, just push the button in and you get inside. It has a different lot of presets. I'm not going to be talking or going deep dive into that for now. So what basically we are going to do is just to show you how portable and how solid the band doors are made of metal, and it's just a really, really nice design. So one thing that makes me really like this, you see, this is not flumpy, it's a bit of real metal, so it's gonna hold well, it's not gonna break on you. And they have an app. In the menu, they said you can use your phone. You scan, they have the Android and the iOS. You scan the app, which you can now download. It's called the Lumen app. I'm gonna go simple on this. We can go in depth later. The good thing about this app is immediately you download it, you just go here, turn on the light, it connects automatically. I didn't connect it, it does it automatically. It sees the 2 lights we have in the room. We have this, the one here is for the RGB, and this one is for the studio light behind me. The studio light behind me. So you can connect or control the 2 of them together. There's one thing I would like to talk about for people that when they found out they connect that the names are just identical, you can change the name by configuring it from the group here and just rename it and stuff like that. But maybe if you need it, leave some comment down there and I can talk much about it. So you see, it's just very easy to control this guy from here.
I think you're on the wrong one.
I'm on the wrong one. Oh, okay. No, oh, yeah, because I have the 2 of them together. One is RGB, one is a straight light. I'm going to try to control the big one, that is the studio light behind me now. You can see. Yeah, I'm going to try to control the studio light. Immediately you move the bar here, the lights become brighter and you dim it. And they have some preset for you at 650K, 550K, and stuff like that for you to be able to just go straight to where you want it to be. Brightness without moving, and you can reduce it just on the app without having to go too much or do anything. So, to cut the long story short, the app is really very simple to use. You can simply control your lights from your app without having any serious problem. And I'm going to connect this directly to a light because I think the powered battery I have is not well powered. So give me 1 minute to just quickly connect that. So this goes into the back here. Then I thread this on and I switch it down to power source directly. And now we have the light. So I'm gonna like reduce, I'm gonna remove this one, and now I'm just on this on the app. I'm gonna reduce the strength so we can see what we are doing. RGB, you can move it. That is just me controlling it on the app. You can move it, and you see that is nice. Reduce the strength of the power, increase it. Simple color. This is the color we want to use. This is what we use. You can off it, and you can on it. Give it a simple preset, and a lot of stuff like that. And also, it goes here. If you are interested, it may show you a little bit more about the app. I can make a YouTube short or something about how to change some information there. Drop some comments in the comment side asking for whatever you need, and I'll be able to give you more information. So for you guys trying to get yourself into YouTube or trying to make video and you need light without breaking the box, Rollei is your go guide. They are not being paid. This is not being paid. Rollei is not paying me yet, or they are not sponsoring this video. I'm just putting some cheaper light alternatives out there for you guys. They have a lot of different stuff there. So nice guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Odabo. Ciao.